What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you all how to hack Terraria. I have put the download link to CheatEngine in the description. Scroll down to the bottom of the page on Giorno. Click on the executable file to download the installer. Run the installer. Accept the license agreement. Be sure to read it first. Choose the installation location. Create a start menu folder. Choose the additional tasks that you want to do with CheatEngine. Do not check this. Uncheck very fast. This is bloatware, so do not install this feature. Read the new features if you want. Finish the installation. Open the Terraria process in CheatEngine. Enter the value of the player's health in the current instance. Click on the first scan button. Do something to change the player's health value. Enter the player's new health value. Press enter or click the next scan button. Select the only address remaining and add it to the memory table. Check if the value has changed. Click on find out what writes to this address. Take the right kind of damage by an entity. Select the correct instruction. Click Show the Assembly button. Click Auto Assemble in Tools. Select Cheat Table Framework Code. Select Code Injection. Change the sub-instruction to Add. Give the script a name. Press the checkbox to run the script. Now when you take damage, you should heal the amount of the damage you took.